So continuing with logs, solve each equation. So here what we're trying to do is solve for x. And to be able to do that, we have to remember a few log rules. And the log rules are, so basically we have to remember these rules for this question right here. In particular, this one and this one. So we're gonna use this one to write this as one log. So therefore, when you have two logs that are added, you could change to multiplication by multiplying this and this. So now you have log base 4, x minus 8, and x plus 4 equals 3. Now to get rid of the log, we have to use the first rule. So we have log form, we want to go there. So basically a to the n, which is 4 to the 3, equals m, which is all of this here, x minus 8, x plus 4. Now 4 to the power of 3 is 64, equals x squared plus 4x, I'm foiling, minus 8x minus 32. And now I'm going to move everything to one side, equate it to 0. So I have 0 equals x squared. At the same time, I'm going to add these two here, minus 4x minus. So if you move the 64 to the other side, it becomes minus 64. And if you go negative 32 minus 64, it gives you minus 96. Now we're going to factor this. Now I'm just going to erase this and move on to the next question. Question 2. So to solve this one right here, I have to do the same thing. I have one log here on the left side, so that's fine. But here I have two logs. I have to make them into one log using the same rule that I used earlier. So I'm using this rule right here. So I end up with log 2, 3x plus 4 equals log base 2. And then I multiply these two, the x plus 4 and the x minus 2. So with this one, it's different from the first one. When you have one log on the left hand side and one log on the right hand side of the equal sign, and they have the same base, nothing in front of them here, you could cancel the logs. So that's what you do. You cancel the logs. Now you have 3x plus 4 equals, and I'm gonna start foiling this. I'm gonna get x squared minus 2x plus 4x minus 8. Move everything to one side, equate it to 0. So x squared, that's minus 2x plus 4x, that's 2x. And when you move the 3x to the other side, it becomes minus 3x. So it gives you minus x. And then you move the 4 to this side, it becomes minus 4. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. You could take your time doing this, like moving things around and stuff, but you know what I'm doing. This factors into x minus 4, x plus 3, because negative 4 times 3 gives you negative 12, and negative 4 plus 3 gives you negative 1. And therefore, x equals either 4 or negative 3. Do both work, or we have to reject one? The 4 works here, you'll end up with a positive answer. 4 works here, 4 minus 2 gives you 2, so that works. But the negative 3, unfortunately, it doesn't work, because if I put it here, negative 3 minus 2 gives you negative 5. You cannot log a negative number, and you cannot log 0, so negative 3 has to be rejected. So your only answer is x equals 4. Thank you for watching. Math is like a puzzle, and puzzles are fun to solve. We will be doing more logs to finish this chapter. Again, always feel free to comment in my videos. If you have a question, you could post it on the comments there, and when I have time, I'll post a YouTube video to answer that question. Again, I hope you like my videos and they're helping you succeed in your schoolwork, on your tests, on your exams. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.